Hello everyone! Welcome back dito sa Family Day 2024 sa kampanya ng asawa ko, and this is the part 2. Enjoy watching! Thank you!
Duck egg. You had Peking duck last night. This is the egg of the Peking duck. Okay, this is known to be an aphrodisiac. So men here drink this with beer. Mr. Gilledo loves to eat that. He has already 3 children. Okay? Now, please watch Mr. Gilledo. Wait, this now is chicharon. Chicharon is pork. Pork. Pork fat. Wait, this is pork skin, and the bulaklak is pork what? Pork intestines. And you dip this in vinegar. But we all eat first the balut. The balut first. Please watch Mr. Gilledo. I think you better stand here so they can see you. No, you stand here so that they can see you. Okay, Mr. Gilledo will show you how it's eaten, huh? Guys, if you are not comfortable, please do not force yourself. But then real men eat balut. And real women eat balut. We're not gonna force you, but real men eat balut. Okay. Ano naman natin sila? Kakayanin ba nila to? Yes! I-boost natin sila, ha? Go, go, go. 1 deme? 1 balut? Okay. Ready, set, go. Watch him. Just watch him.
It must be connected. It must be connected.
This is fun!
Oy, very competitive ang Demi Clients. Magpapatalo ba kayo?
must be connected. Okay.
Somebody take a picture. Please, somebody take a picture.
Pwede bang tanggalin tong logo muna for a while?
Oh, another line, another line.
Pwede bang tanggalin muna to? Pwede ba yun? Hindi. Hindi siya detachable. Ah, hindi. It's okay. Technically, guys, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh my God! It's so... Hindi mo tapos yun. Okay, all the dance. Music, please. Okay. For now, don't stand up. Don't stand up. You still have to remain in line. So for now, nothing is happening anymore with the demi clients because all of them are part of the line. How about the crew? Oh. Come on, finish. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
It's not good enough. Come on, if you want. Okay, so guys. Okay, quiet. Don't stand up.
Don't stand up yet. Don't stand up yet.
Guys,
Pwede mo naman taas?
Guys!
Saglit lang?
Guys!
Saglit lang?
wag patal. Ha? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7. Ay, maganda mataas yung balloons para makita ng audience. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang agad. Panalo, Deme!
Oh, panalo ang Deme Delegates. Thank you so much.
My God! Ganun lang!
Ang challenge lang, paano nila ibabalik, ma'am?
Wow! Congratulations! Thank you, guys! For
And I would like to take this moment to thank you all for watching this video from part 1, part 2 ng Family Day and Christmas party po. And thank you so much po, and I wish you all, I would like to greet you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year together with your loved ones and family. And may we all feel the true spirit of Christmas. Hindi lamang po sa mga materials na bagay na matatanggap natin, but the most important is that we are all healthy ng ating mga mahal sa buhay at buo at masaya ang ating pamilya. So plus point na po yun yung mga gift na matatanggap natin. Although it's count, but the most important talaga is yung health natin at yung family happiness natin yon. And Merry Christmas everyone, and thank you so much po sa aking mga old members sa inyong patuloy na suporta at pagmamahal sa aking channel. And I would like to say thank you sa aking mga new members and super chatters for the month of November. Hindi pa ako nakapag-post, hindi pa ako naka-edit kasi para sa akong video na gagawin pa sa salamat sa inyo. But soon, gagawin ko yun. And thank you so much. And Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year. Nawa tuloy-tuloy lang po ang ating suportahan at pagmamahal sa ating mga channels. And God bless us all.
Trabaho, pangagano.